Hey guys, it's Ashlyn, and today I am in Royale, and I've almost got to level 500 and almost at 500,000 diamonds, so I might make a video when I reach 500,000 diamonds. Anyways, I just want to quickly point out some tea that I've been seeing all over Twitter. Also, if you want to follow me on Twitter, it's littlekitten002. So first, we have some random things. So, first of all, I want to be pointing out this really cute skirt that I saw by Crystal Pony. So he said, I've had some free time, so I finished this skirt. I've made a little one this time. And then Barbie actually liked it, so she may like it and want to put it in the game. But I'm not so sure about that. She may have just liked it because it's Crystal Pony. So next we have this super cute skirt by Ocean Orbs. And it said, a skirt I did yesterday. And so it was liked by Barbie, and it's really cute, and I hope it comes because it's adorable. And then here we have another skirt by Ocean Orbs. I'm not sure if it's the same one or not, but she said the secret is out, and Cybernova actually made a video about how it is coming. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. And it's actually really cute, and I'll put a picture of her in Cybernova's video. So next we have this by Royal High Sweat something. So could these skirts possibly be added to Royal High? I'm not sure where she got them, but we have this really cute yellow one. And then we have this white one. Well, obviously you can put them in any different colors. And I really like both of them, and I hope they get added. So, the last tea is from Barbie. It was 17 hours ago. So she said,
OMG, ever since I woke up a couple hours ago, I've had so many butterflies in my stomach from excitement of what I made last night. If you need a creative outlet, I highly recommend Roblox Studio. Wow, it's so much fun. Can't wait to work on this and more and give it to you in game.
She's giving it to us in game. I'm going to do a quick close-up of the picture. Just look how cute this is. Anyways, guys, that's all my tea that I have today, because I don't have that much other than that shop, but you probably already saw the shop. But I will insert some pictures of the shop at the end. Bye, guys.